Very good morning to all of you. Today we will see chapter number 17 of class 8th, stars and solar system. And in this part 2 we will be see the topic constellations. If you see in a sky during the early night or during the late night, you can see a pattern of different stars in the sky, and this pattern can be recognizable. We can identify it form a definite shape. So this pattern is known as constellation. Now let us see the definition of constellation. The group of star that appear to form a recognizable shape is known as a constellation, is called a constellation. In another words, we can say that a constellation actually is a group of stars that form a definite shape in the sky, and only we can see the bright star in a constellation, although the constellation has a large number of stars, but we can see only the white stars. Now we are going to discuss one by one different type of constellations and the pattern formed by them. So first of all we will see in tabular form, and we will also see the different shape and size of these constellation. First, that is Ursa Major. Ursa Major, it is also called the other name of this constellation is Saptarishi. Big Dipper, the shape of this constellation is like Big Dipper, so it is called Big Dipper. And Great Bear. Now how we can identify this constellation? This is appear in the summer time during early part of night. It has 7 stars. Three stars are present. 3 stars are present in the handle of Idle, and 4 are in its bowl. You can see the diagram of this constellation, that is like this. So you can see in this diagram, these three stars are present, 1, 2 and 3. These three stars are present in the handle, and 4 stars are present in the bowl. Four stars are present in the bowl and 3 stars are present in the handle. So this is about Ursa Major constellation. Now we will see second, that is Orion. Second is Orion constellation. This is also known as or we can see this constellation can appear or can be seen in the winter during late evening. This has 7 or 8 stars like this. You can see in the diagram of this constellation. In this constellation we can see the 4 stars are present in the quadrilateral shapes and 3 stars are present in this belt, and we can also locate the position of Sirius star, that is the brightest star, with the help of this, or it is present near the Orion constellation. This is the position of Sirius star, that is the brightest star. So in this Orion constellation, that is a group of 7 or 8 star, and in this constellation 3 stars are present in this belt, and the 4 stars are present in the form of quadrilaters, and this is most prominent constellation. Now we will see the third constellation, that is Cassiopeia. Cassiopeia. This can be seen during winter season or winter time in the early part of night. It has 5 stars. It looks like a distorted letter M or W. We can see like this. So you can see in this the Cassiopeia constellation there are 5 stars, and if you see the location of this constellation in sky, it appear as a wrong shape, distorted shape of M or W letters. So in such a way we can see the different type of the constellation in the sky. In the olden time, the peoples used to see different part of the sky, and they recognize these different shapes, and they can identify or find out the location of different stars, as well as they also find out the times. Today these constellations are used to find out the location of artificial satellite. So I hope you have understood this video, and we will see the next video of this part in the next class. Thank you very much for watching this video.